Hello guys, welcome to this section with me. So in this episode, I'm going to show you how to trade live market movements with computer money on Tradingview. Now, let me explain this concept to you a little. Now, this is about you practicing your skill to gain mastery of your TA. Okay, so you want to practice how to analyze the market live on a live market chart, and then you want to, buy and sell because this is a game of practice. If you do not practice this skill, you cannot gain mastery of it. So you want to practice how to analyze the market live on TradingView, and then you know be able to buy and sell based on analysis conviction, and they see it playing out. Okay, so this is what it's all about. But you don't want to practice with your money, because if you do that, you can waste your money unnecessarily because you make a lot of mistakes as a beginner. So you want to first practice with computer money until you gain mastery. So that is what it's all about. Okay, so now let me show you how to do that. So this is your TradingView account. You see the symbol, click on it. You still have these options right there, test notes. Then look for trading panel. This, click on trading panel, click on connect. So paper trading. So then you're going to, yes, now it is already live. Now you can see this is my account. Now this is a your USD dollar account. So now you cannot see this amount, this $100,000 given to you to practice. But this is too much for you as a beginner, except maybe your parents are rich and you have to come a moment with your balance. But I'm sure that you don't have this amount of money in your balance to trade with in your live account. So if you try this, you're going to be trading with amount that that is not real to you, because in your life account you can't have this amount of money, at least as a beginner. So I want you to practice with a money that is so close with your trading balance, at least to some level, such that when you gain master that computer money, it can easily reflect on your own small balance in your wallet. Okay, so come down to this level, paper trading, click on it, click on reset trading account. Then this reduce it by 10 to make it $3,000 account, or reduce it to $5,000 account. Your choice, but at least 10K is still okay. Okay, now this 10K is a little bit closer to what amount you're going to have as a trader in your account. So click on reset. Now it is done right there. That's it. So now we now have a computer money to practice with. Now to start trading, you see this option right there. This means buy, this blue, buy. Here you enter these units, you put in the amount of that asset you are buying, and here stop loss, you put in your stop loss price, and here your take profit price will be here. Okay, in this dollar, you're going to see the amount you're going to lose if the price hits your stop loss, and here what you will gain if it hits your take profit price. So that is it. And why does it stand for sell, to short the market? So, but however, if in your own Tradingview account you do not see this option, these two right there, you can click on settings, this symbol, settings, and then to enable it under trading, you can see buy and sell buttons, click on it to allow it to be there. So that is it. It's very easy, very simple. You have any question to ask, you can ask in a group, ask me questions. You know, drop your questions to me. I'm going to attend to your questions. But don't forget, this is for practice only. Once you practice on this account for less than 1 month and you grow the account to some levels, you can begin to practice your own real money now. However, before then, practice with your Tradingview demo account and make progress, make money with it. That is, make profit with it. Grow the account at least by 50% in a month. Do that before you start using your money to trade on a live market, because you don't want to blow your money. Once you blow it away, it is gone. So get mastery first before you start playing with your real money. I hope this is clear. See you guys.